Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, gold is pushing down pretty hard this afternoon. It didn't quite get to the 2800, but pretty close. Maybe it did touch it by a little bit, but we did bounce from the 138. We are pushing down pretty hard. This is my breaker structure area right here where I have my Fibonacci retracement. If it breaks below here, then that would prove to me this whole wave up is likely complete. Definitely doesn't prove that the higher time frame uptrend is over, but eventually we could get confirmation that the wave 3 is over, and in that big wave 4 that would be very corrective and overlapping to the downside for probably several weeks. But until we get this breaker structure, you have to keep these fib levels in mind. I mean, if you get like a nice engulfing up at a fib level, you might want to keep in mind that every single time frame is in an uptrend, and it does not have to stop here. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.